I'm cutting you French cut, no? French cut chicken breast, ha? See? These wings. Break the joint. This one. French cut. Why called French cut? It's called French cut, no? You serve in the main dining. Why do you call it French cut? Anyone else? French cut, as far as I know, because the bone is exposed. Even in the lamb rack, you see the lamb rack, there's the bones. That is French cut. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.